All right, I got some other people chiming in here. Um, Other people chiming in. I'm a time frame person, and my idea is by 2027, I'll be strong candidate in the field. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. Have like a time frame. That's exactly how I put my goals out. I have like a time frame of when I want to hit a certain mark, and I go for it. And then I have like at this time, and then I'll write it down. Like a really important thing that's been impactful is I'll have this big board in my room, my workspace, and I put it on a calendar and I mark it down. Here's what I'm going to accomplish by this date, and I go for it. And then I block time off. Another huge thing that's life changing is I'll block time like throughout the course of a week. I'll say in this time frame, I'm going to only do this one thing, and I'll just put blocks times throughout my whole week so I can get that one thing done. That also works. And then it evolves over time is what I found is when I document it. I'm like, well, it's kind of like I give you a specific example. Like I was going for AI. I was like, AI is my target. This is what I really want to do. But then, and I wrote it down, everything. And then I realized as I'm getting deeper into it, I'm like, well, AI is based almost 100% on cloud. Like their whole infrastructure is based on cloud. Like maybe I need to be a cloud guy. And at the same time, while I'm thinking about that, is the whole thing is on the cloud infrastructure. I'm thinking to myself, there's a way I can do a lateral change, and we're using cloud in my environment. And I know that it pays better than what I'm currently doing combined with the skills I have. So why wouldn't I just do cloud, which would lead me to AI? So then I had to make an adjustment to my path. So I wrote that down, and then it kind of evolves over time, as you block your time and have something written down. Anyway, off a beaten path there. Let me see. Okay, I got some comments here. Chappelle said, currently doing A plus and Security Plus certification and finish in February. Also blocking time. That's really good. Like you have a goal that you put it right. Just make sure you write it down.